High performance, quality, precision, and flexibility at a high level. This is what the hydraulic radial forging machines of the SMX type from SMS Mer stand for. The innovative machine concept is a worldwide market success. During the last decade alone, SMS Mer has sold more than 10 hydraulic radial forging machines of the SMX type and is thus represented on almost all continents. The technology company Witkowice Hammering in the Czech Republic is also one of the customers. The SMX 818MN at Witkowice Hammering is exemplary for high performances of the forming machines from SMS Mer. It features a maximum press force of 18 meganewtons. The maximum tool opening is 800 millimeters. The highest ingot weight is 8 tons. The smallest finish diameter is 130 millimeters. And the maximum forging length is 18 meters. After furnace removal, everything runs fully automatically. The ingot is positioned. This ensures that the ingot is inserted precisely in the loading manipulator. A fully automated forging process is started, the pass schedule of which is calculated with the technology software ComForge. To this end, more than 400 materials are stored with flow curves in the database. The initial passes ensure good solid forging up to the material core. Metallographic examinations confirm a homogeneous microstructure, in fact, over the entire radius. Manipulators are moved computer-controlled. While the carriage moves forward at even pace, the tongs unit stops synchronously to the strokes. Also in the interaction of both manipulators, perfect synchronization ensures a flying workpiece transfer during forging, which makes precise forging results possible. The contours of the forged product become clear. It is a railway double axle. 2 axles in a single process with a forging tool and produced in one heat directly from the ingot. This is an enormous economic advantage. In addition to this, a much higher productivity compared to open die forging is achieved, and a high degree of flexibility. SMX is suited for round, square, and octagonal long products, for flat products with round corner square or extremely sharp edges. Even thick-walled seamless tubes with minimum wall thicknesses of less than 30 millimeters forged over a mandrel are possible. And complex forms, such as step shafts, for example, single or double railway axles in the form of a double axle. Back to the forging process. Thanks to innovative press cylinders, up to 240 smoothing strokes per minute are possible, depending on machine size, providing good productivity, high precision, and surface quality. The consequence, required machining is significantly minimized. Already after a short time, the semi-finished product, here a railway double axle, is unloaded. SMX convinces economically as well as ecologically, since it is energy efficient, reaching a high material yield by near net shape production directly from the ingot. Tail ends are cut, resulting in a high-quality workpiece. Whether it be axles for high-speed trains, highly stressed parts for modern energy plants, reliable aerospace components, or offshore pipes for extreme environmental conditions, the hydraulic radial forging machines from SMS Mayer of the SMX type are forging the future.